So you have to look at this as a composition of a rational function inside like a power function of x to the power of 3. So the first step is to deal with the power of 3. So you get this with the same input. And you got to chain that by the derivative of what's in here, right? What's inside. So that becomes differentiate the top. Differentiate the top and you get 2, multiply by the bottom. Subtract, leave the top alone, multiply by the bottom. All over the bottom, squared, right? That's it. And then you just have to simplify now. So it's 2x minus 1. Let's expand this. You get 2x squared plus 2 minus 4x squared, and then plus 2x. You have to be careful about the double negatives here. So same thing. So this is 2x minus 1 squared. The bottom is x squared plus 1, also squared. I separated it because this is also x squared plus 1 squared, right? So you can combine these two. And then here you have minus 2x squared plus 2x plus 2, right? And that's, and I guess you can factor out a 2 from all three to get minus 6 at the front. And then you have x squared minus x minus 1 all over to the power of 4.
That's what I got here.